Hey guys. Okay, so Zena, this video is for Zena. I am doing a review on the Ordro M3. Yeah, the Ordro M3. I'm actually recording from the Ordro right now. So this is the Ordro. This is the look. We don't have filters, so you get what you get, and you can't throw a fit. So I do like that because it doesn't look bad. I do have a light right here. So here, let me turn this light off. Then I have a light over here, but without the light, and just this light and this light right here coming in, you still can see me. The view is good. You still can see everything back here. It comes with a charging cord. I don't know where everything is. I shouldn't have started this video. Oh, it's back here. So it comes with a charger. Sorry. Okay, so it comes with a charger. This little container that you can put it inside of. So I also bought a tripod, a handheld tripod that it's on. And so the tripod is about like this tall, and then so now you see me how you see me because I'm on the tripod. It comes with this USB, and then you could put your memory card in here, right here. This is how I connect it to the computer. Now this is the only con that I do not really care for, is that you have to, because you can download the app, but because my phone already don't have storage, this is why I got this. Let me turn my light back on. This is why I got this, because my phone don't have storage. So now I have to put the this thing into my computer and upload it. Excuse me. I have to upload it to my computer, and then I have to send it back to my phone from my computer to my phone so that I can edit it, because I like touching it. So now I'm going to bring out my mouse. See that right there, the green thing? I'm going to bring out my mouse and see how I like to do my editing with the mouse. They have an instruction book, and this is for my thingy, and then they have this and they have this. So this is to wipe the lenses off, and this is to put your memory card in. And so far so good. I like it. I love it. I actually really love it. Only thing that I don't love about it is hopefully you can hear me, because I really did just record this without even checking to see if you can hear me. But we will see once I upload this video. We're going to see if you can hear me. So, yes. I like the camera. The camera is not too big. It's not as big. It's about the same size as my phone. So, yeah. It's about the same size as my phone. So, holding it is just like, you just got to, let me see. Let's see if we can do this. Okay. Wait, that's me. That's me. But you could see my picture. Okay. So are you looking at you looking at me? I'm supposed to be looking at you. Flip it. There you go. Okay, so you see, it's about the same size. The camera, it's just that you have the mirror, the screen right here, instead of just the screen being like here. So if I hold it like this, it's still basically the same. So yeah. Could you see that? But yeah, so Zena, I really do like this camera a whole lot. It is worth it. It's worth it. They do have some that are out there that are a lot cheaper though. I've been seeing a lot of people do their reviews on some of the TikTok ones, and it looks more like an DJI. It looks more like a DJI, but it doesn't have the turn. Now this camera, you can turn, rotate the bopper, but you have to stop the recording to rotate it back and forth. It doesn't do like that. It just do like 180. And so that's that. What else about it? You can take pictures on it. It does hold. So mine's, at first, when I first got it, it said that it was holding up to at least 3 hours and 2 minutes. And then the more I started to record on it, and then I would delete, after I record, I delete that off my phone, off the camera. I don't know. It just says like I have 2 hours that I can record on, which is perfectly fine. I have a lot of other memory cards that I can use here. So yeah, so I think it's really cool. You can buy other memory cards with more storage on there if you want to do more. You can go live off this camera. Now, I did it once, and I just don't believe I have the right cord to do it. I cannot find the other cord that I had when I went live the first time with my camera. Now, another thing, if you are monetized and you go live like that, if you stream live off your camera and you are monetized, you cannot get gifts, but you can get super chats and super stickers still. I do believe. But I like the gifts more than I like the super chats and whatever. The gifts are cool. I don't know why, but I guess because everybody can participate. But yeah, so the camera is this. This is the camera. I like it. It gives you a good view. This is me. And yeah, you see the background and everything. So yeah, like you can even see this a little bit. Yeah, you can see that. It's my screen. But yeah, so let's see. Is there any other questions? Did I answer everything? Because the only con that I had was having to transfer it over to my computer because hard time. Oh, that's another thing. I think it only records up to 15 minutes and then it stops and then it starts back over. Just in case, especially if you haven't like touched it or something. If you haven't touched it, then it's like basically the screen. The screen don't go black, but it just starts over and whatever. So you may have talked just for 2.5 seconds more than what the camera was rolling. So yeah. So that was that. What was I about to say before that? Because I don't want to edit this. Yeah, I can go without editing this. So, what else? You can take pictures. Storage. The battery life on this is good. I do like the battery life. Now, if you just got it turned on all day long, yes, it's going to die. But for the most part, like I had it turned on for like 30 minutes without using it, and the battery did not go nowhere. So, yeah, and right now it's still on the full battery. So, yeah, I think the battery life is really good. I also, here, let me see. I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to record. I'm going to flip the camera and let you see how it looks on the opposite side. Okay, so, here, let me turn this light to go with it. Okay, boom. So, this is what it looks like. Then I'm going to turn. Now I have me turned this way. Let's see how you see me. Because I've never really tried it this way. Bend this back some. Okay, I think I'm in view. I'm not for sure because I'm turned this way and the screen is the opposite way. So, yeah. So I'm not for sure what this looks like. But this is the view when you do it like this. And you can press the side button to stop. Okay, so yeah, you can press the side button to stop it and flip the camera back to where you want it to be. I'm trying to think of any other questions. It does connect to mics. Now, I bought a mic, excuse me, that it did not work at first. So I ended up getting one of these. This is the port that you need. You need the C port. Well, actually, you need this part. You need this part, and then you can use the C port, but then the C port takes up all the room. And you don't want it to do all that, especially if you're using a light like I am. I connected my light onto my tripod. So yeah, it does connect to the mics. Here, I'm going to let you see what it sounds like with the mic on. Okay, so this is what it sounds like with the mic. You don't have to put it close to your mouth because listen to how loud I am. I do believe I'm loud. Now you can turn the mic down. I'm going to put the mic further into the middle of my shirt. And let's see how this works out. So the mic is down here. And so let's see how this works out. This is what it sounds like. I'm not speaking loud, but I'm going to leave it as loud as whatever loud it is right now. I'm going to leave it that way. I have the mic in the middle of my shirt versus it being, did I turn it off? No. Versus it being connected up here. Being connected up here, I think it sounds very loud and I don't like the sound of it. So that's another thing. You have any other questions? Because let me know and I will answer your questions. But I'm telling you, it's more pros than it is cons. But that's what I was saying. The TikTok has been having some cameras that I thought was really cool because people have been recording themselves off of the cameras. When I would see them on the TikTok shop. I don't want this to be so close. When I see them on the TikTok shop. So I think if you don't want to pay the $199, I think it is right, $169 for the Ordro M3. I think $169 for that one, which is the one that I have, and then it's $199 for the Ordro M5, which is the M5. You can rotate the camera. You can rotate the camera when you're, I think when you're live or when you're live recording, I think you can rotate the camera. So let me know if you have any other questions about the Ordro. I think I kind of answered them all, but let me know, okay? Thank you so much for watching and asking the questions, and you have a great rest of your day. Bye.